Opening the hood of your Subaru Outback involves a simple two-step process. First, locate the hood release lever inside the vehicle, under the dashboard on the driver's side. It's typically marked with a hood icon. Pull this lever firmly to release the primary hood latch. Next, move to the front of the Outback. Locate the secondary latch beneath the hood, usually a horizontal bar or handle in the center. Lift this latch while gently raising the hood. That's it. The dual latch system ensures safety, preventing accidental opening while driving. This method is standard across most Outback models. Now let's cover important tips and maintenance for your Subaru Outback's hood release system. Always ensure the hood is fully latched before driving. After closing, gently push down on the hood to confirm it's secure. Regular maintenance is key. Experts recommend annual hood latch inspections, especially after 100,000 miles. If you encounter resistance or the cable feels stretched, consider having it inspected by a professional. Avoid DIY modifications as they can lead to latching issues. Recalls have occurred due to faulty hood cables, so stay informed about any applicable recalls for your Outback model year. By following these tips, you'll keep your Outback's hood operating safely and reliably.